Stop sending boring black and white QR codes in 2026. I'm going to show you the right way how you can create your own custom, more robust, high resolution and colorful QR codes using Python. First, we need to install the library that handles QR codes. So open your terminal and type pip install and the name of the library, which is Segno, and press enter. After installing this library, open your code editor and create a Python file. I have already created a Python file test.py. First, import the Segno module to handle the QR codes. Now create a variable QR code called the Segno module. From this module, use the function called makeQR that will generate the QR codes. Now inside these commas, write the target link that will turn into a QR code. For example, I want to turn this YouTube link into a QR code. Now put comma here, type the second argument called error and set its value h. Why did we have to use this error? It stands for high error correction. It means even if the QR code gets a little bit scratched or you put a tiny logo in the middle, it still works very perfectly because it adds extra redundancy to the data pixels. Next, to save this QR code, write the variable QR code dot use the save function. In the first argument, write the target location and the name of the file where you want to save this QR code. I want to save this file in my current working directory, so I just have to write the name of the file. So I want to save it in test.png. Next, we have to set the scale of this QR code, so I'm going to set its value to 10. It's enough for high resolution. Even when someone zooms this QR code, it will never get distorted. Next, we are going to set the foreground color. I am going with deep navy blue. Next, we have to set the background color and I am going with light gray color. In the end, we have to set the thickness of the border enclosing this QR code. So I am going to set its value to 4. This is it. Save your file. Now we have to test this code. Open your command prompt, type Python and the name of the file and press enter. Here you can see that a new PNG file is generated here. Inside this file, we have our QR code with the navy blue foreground and a light gray background. This is it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.